Hello everyone, I'm Samir Bellik, but you can call me the part-time human. Why part-time human? Because juggling everything, family, business, passions and life, make me feel like I'm part human, part multitasking machine. But who am I really? Let's dive in and explore my story together. I was born in Algeria in 1981, a year where the world grew to Betty Davis eyes by Kim Cranes. My parents, however, were busy trying to figure out why their son kept disassembling his toys. Spoiler alert, I wasn't breaking them, I was learning. My first love wasn't a person, it was a computer, and I was 5. And not until that my dad brought home, it didn't even have a hard drive, just 64 kilobytes of ROM and a magnetic tape reader. I learned basic programming at 5, when I fell in love, but I also loved playing Space Invaders and Donkey Kong vs. Mario on its Atari 2600 cartridge adapter. Those were magical days. My tech obsession grew, but I also tried my hand on everything from swimming to archery. By the time university rolled around, I was studying mechanical engineering and working part-time at internet cafes and flipping cell phones. I guess you could say the hustle started early. Fast forward to 2014 when I decided to start my marketing agency, Gen 42. My first client was a real estate business and needed everything: branding, campaigns and digital strategy. And when I say everything, I mean everything. I went all in. I was at their office from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. multiple times a week, making sure every little detail was perfect. If they needed a presentation at 8 a.m., I stayed up until 4 a.m. to finish it. That's how I learned that great service built trust. And they recommended me to my other clients. For the first 2 years of Gen 42, I didn't even have an office. Instead, I worked out of a pizzeria in Algeria called the Shakespeare. It wasn't just my workspace, it became my creative heaven. The smell of fresh dough and the sound of clicking dishes will always hold a special place in my heart. And they had a killer playlist. It was tough, but also liberating. I didn't need a fancy office to deliver results. I just needed determination, an internet connection and a parking spot, focus, and maybe a little pizza. Not just a little. After 9 years of running Gen 42, serving hundreds of clients, teaching at universities, and creating countless campaigns, I moved to Canada with my family in 2023. Starting over wasn't easy, but it gave me a chance to reflect and embrace all the parts of me. The entrepreneur, the creator, the anime fan, the dad, the cook, and all the rest. Now, I run the Unlikely Agency and create content to inspire others to balance their passion and careers. I'm not perfect, but I believe in progress over perfection. Being the part-time human isn't about doing it all. It's about doing what matters most. Whether that's building a business, watching One Piece, or just being there for my family. If there's one thing I've learned, it's this: passion fuels success, but balance keeps you grounded. So that's me, the part-time human. In my next video, maybe I'll tell you about my days as a band singer or my summer job handing out soap and flyers. Until then, if you're trying to balance your own passion and ambition, let's connect. Like, comment and subscribe, and let's navigate this journey together. See you next time. Bye.